Welcome to the best picks. The best push pin removers is probably one of the most underrated tools for any home, office, or classroom. They effortlessly remove push pins, thumbtacks, and even staples from various surfaces without causing damage, saving you time, frustration, and potential injuries from using makeshift tools. This video will review the top push pin removers on the market, helping you choose the perfect tool for your needs, whether you're a student, an artist, or just someone who appreciates a well-organized space. Number 5. Auto Trim Tool Kit. It's made of high-quality materials, perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. It safely removes trim without scratching your vehicle's finish. This kit has 5 tools, each designed for a specific task. It's great for cars, boats, or RVs, making repairs and maintenance a breeze. They're made from sturdy nylon and are easy to handle. This saves you time and effort on those tough jobs. It's compact and portable, so you can keep it in your car. It's perfect for professionals or DIY enthusiasts. It makes a great gift for friends and family. It's essential for anyone who likes to maintain or repair their vehicles. What we like. This kit is made of high-quality materials, ensuring it can handle various tasks. It's perfect for working on cars, boats, or RVs. If you need a reliable and long-lasting tool set for all your vehicle maintenance needs, this is the one for you. What people say. The no-scratch design ensures that the vehicle's interior remains undamaged, and the variety of tools included in the kit handles a wide range of tasks. The plastic tools are very stiff, thick hard plastic with some light flexibility. This will hold up very nicely and remove trim fasteners without the worry of one breaking or scratching your vehicle's finish. The added metal remover tool really completes this set. I had to replace the control panel in my GMC Acadia. I watched a YouTube on how to do it and saw these tools in the video. They worked great. I was able to pry off the faceplate with ease using these tools. Number 4. BYNIUR Trim Tool. This kit is perfect for removing and installing trim on cars, boats, or even furniture. It's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. It includes 8 different types of clips to handle various types of fasteners. These are made of durable nylon, so they won't break easily. The kit also features adhesive cable clips to keep your car's wires organized and tidy. They're easy to apply and provide a clean look. The tools are designed to be comfortable to hold, saving you time and effort during repairs. This makes even tedious jobs easier. You get everything you need in one convenient kit: retainer clips, picks, stereo removal tools, and more. It's a comprehensive solution for all your trim needs. What we like. This comprehensive kit comes with a wide variety of tools to tackle any trim removal job. It includes unique adhesive clips for cable organization. If you're looking for a versatile solution with added organizational features, this kit is your best bet. What people say. The tools are made of a very dense and sturdy plastic and have yet to show any signs of wear after a few uses. The included trim clips came in handy after I broke one by accident, and the carrying case makes everything super convenient to carry around. Materials for the tools are durable and work well in a nice pouch for storage. All the attachments are easily usable on just about anything. This kit bailed me out big time when I snapped off and broke some of the fasteners. Thankfully, I was able to use the replacement fasteners included in this kit to save the day. Definitely a big bonus. Every single tool I needed was in the kit. They all felt pretty substantial and not cheap or flimsy. Number 3. 456-pack Trim Tool. Say goodbye to frustrating car repairs. This kit makes removing trim a breeze, no matter how stubborn it is. It's the ultimate solution for removing various car trims, from stereo systems to door panels. You'll find the right tool for every job. They're made of a sleek material that won't scratch your car's finish. It's designed for a smooth and safe removal process. These tools are designed with your comfort in mind. Their lightweight and ergonomic design makes the job easier and more efficient. Quickly install and remove car accessories without causing damage. The ultra-thin design easily reaches confined areas. This comprehensive kit includes a wide variety of tools to handle any situation. You'll always have the right tool on hand. What we like. This massive kit offers an extensive selection of tools, ensuring you'll always have the right one for the job. The tools are built to last and are comfortable to use. If you need a large quantity of tools for professional use or frequent repairs, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Needed a pushpin puller, and when I saw this one came with pushpins and multiple pry tools. Quality is great. I've had these long enough to go to the kit multiple times for parts. There are some good fits among the clips for the underbody and engine compartment panels on a Toyota Prius. The selection of removal tools is equally broad beyond my needs. The long metal one works well on some clips that I struggled using a screwdriver to pry open before. The tools are durable and work amazing. There are a ton of different types of fasteners, which is nice for when you have to make do with what you have and aren't paying $3 per at the dealership. Number 2. Fastener Remover Tool. Are those pesky plastic fasteners giving you trouble? It's frustrating, but help is here. This handy tool makes quick work of removing those clips. Say goodbye to broken fingernails and damaged trim. Simply insert it under the fastener and gently pry it loose. It's that easy. The built-in button protects your vehicle's surface from scratches while you work. It's designed with your car in mind. It comes in convenient, protective packaging, ready to use right out of the box. Keep it handy in your car or garage. Don't let stubborn fasteners frustrate you any longer. Order yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It's simple, effective, and protects your vehicle's surface. The compact packaging makes it easy to store. If you need a quick and easy solution for removing plastic fasteners, this tool is perfect for you. What people say. It works perfect. It is metal and strong, but thin enough on the end to get underneath the clip. I can now quickly remove the clip without damaging it. Arrived promptly and was exactly as described. It popped the old clips out with ease. Just place the fork fully under the fastener, brace the metal back of the fork on a vehicle surface, push down on the handle, and, voila, the fastener pops out, every time. Number 1. W86561 Angled Pliers. These pliers are a game changer for removing push pins and retainers. Its angled design and spring-loaded action make quick work of even the toughest clips. The spring-loaded design provides excellent leverage, allowing for easy removal with a simple squeeze. It's perfect for those hard-to-reach clips. It's made specifically to remove push pins with center locking pins. No more struggling with broken clips or damaged parts. Quickly and easily remove plastic anchors without causing any damage. It's gentle enough for delicate parts, yet strong enough for stubborn clips. The ergonomic handle design ensures comfortable use, even during extended periods. It helps prevent hand fatigue, allowing you to work efficiently. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including Honda, Toyota, GM, Ford, Chrysler, and more. It's the perfect tool for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. What we like. This tool offers superior leverage and ease of use, making quick work of removing push pins. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, even during extended sessions. If you value efficiency and comfort, this is the right tool for you. What people say. Made a job so much easier. Easy to use. Less frequency of broken parts. Worked very well on the slotted fasteners on the car. Saved some time and the fasteners from damage. Using this tool, I got all of them intact and put them back too. Getting the job done like a professional makes me feel proud, and also the fact that I know it has been done right gives me a sense of satisfaction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.